Etsy. Specifically, I'm going to be going over how you can create an interactive card game or digital cards that people can use in your niche. So the first thing we want to do is, so if you already know your niche, you're going to go ahead and search it and see what is the competition doing, what are other people selling. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and do a card game for couples. So I'm going to go ahead and type in digital cards. We're going to say couple card game. And we're going to see what is out here. As we can see here, these are digital downloads. So we have these decks for date night. We have room service at home, small talk. This is Etsy's pick. This is digital download as well. We have a bestseller here. And we have spicy couples drinking game. Comes with 13 cards or over 100 cards. So we can see here another bestseller, couples conversation starters. So you can go here and get an idea, and then we're going to go ahead and create our interactive card game in Canva. So we're going to go ahead, let's see, which one are we going to choose? We're going to go ahead and click this. As we can see, this is in 9 cards right now, so this is definitely in demand. And look at the reviews here. Was so fun to play with my partner, easy download, fast and fun, and great last minute Valentine idea. So as we can see, customers are enjoying this game. So we're going to go ahead and create. I'm going to go ahead and take some of these keywords here. And the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go over to ChatGPT. And we're going to create a code for a couples card game. We're going to put that in there, and we're going to say includes 100 card ideas, card prompts, make the colors pink, red, black, and white. Let's see what else. Include truth or dare prompts and make it fun for couples date night. We're going to go ahead and allow them to create that code for us. And so it's going to take a second for them to be able to analyze what we just said. But we're going to be able to get this code here, and we're going to bring it over to Canva AI. If you didn't know already, that Canva AI has a section where you can put code in and it can create designs for you. So as you can see here, it is going ahead and creating this code for us. And once it's complete, we're going to go ahead and copy it, and then we're going to bring it over to Canva. Now, because we are telling it to create over 100 or include 100 card prompts, of course, it may take a second, but you are saving a lot of time by using ChatGPT, of course. A couple minutes, it did take about 5 minutes or so keep that in mind. But it finally finished here, and we have, it says all set, your interactive game with 100 spicy truth or dare wild prompts. Sleek, pink, red, and white design is includes. And so we're going to go ahead and go back up here, and we're going to go ahead and copy all of this. And then we're going to go over and add another tab, and we're going to go ahead and go to canva.com, and we're going to go over to Canva AI. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure you click code for me, and then you're going to go ahead and paste that code in, and you're going to go ahead and hit submit. Now we're going to let Canva AI do its magic and analyze all of the code that ChatGPT just provided you with, and then it's going to come up with a design for your interactive game. And like I said, you can use this for whatever niche that you want. If you're going to be selling this on Etsy as a digital product, you go ahead and research what is best selling or what is selling. And so we went ahead and took an idea that's already selling, but we're going to make it a little bit different by making it an interactive game. And you're going to be able to share this game with people who buy your listing. So right now we're going to let it analyze. It has a lot of code to work through, so this may take a couple minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys when it's complete. Probably going to fast forward through all this. I don't know if you guys want to see. Okay, guys, so it is now done. So we have Truth or Dare for couples who want to connect and play. We have all levels. We now have an interactive game, as you can see here. You got mild, medium, or hot as far as the spicy level of the questions. You have all types, truth, dare, or wild. Favorites only. So if you favorite a card, we have card drawn, favorites, current streak, average spice. You can reset the game. It also has the rules right here. Mild, sweet, and playful, medium, flirt, and romantic. Respect boundaries, communicate openly, and have fun together. And then you're going to go ahead and hit draw a card. And it has the first question, which is wild. Take a sip, share a secret turn on using only whispers. So you can go to the next card after you do that, or you can skip this question. And so this is your interactive game. And so if you wanted to go ahead and use this in a design, this is the first version as well. So if you wanted to provide Canva AI with some updates, maybe if you don't like this color that it gave, you could say change the game background to red, and you can give it a specific red that you want it to, or anything that you want to change about the game. You can go ahead and edit right here. Just let it know and it will update it, because this is version 1. So then the next thing you want to do is go ahead and hit use in design. And so they have a website, presentation doc, or whiteboard. So you're going to have to make the decision on how you're going to want to use this in design. So we're going to go ahead, let's say we're going to click whiteboard, just because this is an open area space. And right now it says double click to interact. So double clicked, and now you can interact with the game. And what you'll need to do, so when you're going and sharing this with someone, so to be able to have it on Etsy, or when you're selling it, you're going to go and hit share. You're going to hit template link, and you're going to hit create template link, copy. And now in your Etsy listing, when people purchase, you're going to go ahead and give them this Canva template link, and you're going to let them know that it's an interactive game. What you can do is, because Etsy allows you to have short videos, you can maybe record yourself playing, like record your screen and showing how to play, show the instructions, the levels, all of those different things, the rules, just a quick video like that, and show them that it's an interactive game. And this is a way for you to stand out, because we have this one, which was cards that they had to print out. But this one, they're able to just go to a link and open it up on their screen. If they want, they can make this big like this, and they can go ahead and play together on their date night. So this is how you can be able to make an interactive card game. digital product that you can sell on Etsy or your website. I hope that this video has been helpful using Canva AI. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of videos you want me to create next, and please subscribe so you don't miss any of my Canva tutorial videos, Etsy seller tips, or print on demand designs and tips. So have a great day. Bye-bye.